Good morning everyone, my name is Gerald and welcome back to my channel. Today it's April 17, 2025, day of Thursday. So today we're going to Avalos tinting. We're going to have our 2025 C8 Corvette window tint installed. I'm going to do the two doors panel window and a glare on the windshield. So it's going to be totally blackout and maximum UV protection from the sun. Before I start this video, I would like to shout out all my viewers and subscribers out there. Thank you so much for tuning in, supporting this channel as always, trusting as well. And I would like to shout out all the Corvette owner here in the United States and all over the world. So stay tuned, folks. Peace. Hello folks, welcome back. So I'm gonna show you before and after regarding installing the tint. So this is how it looks like without the tint from the vehicle. So we're gonna do this two windows from the driver's and the passenger side, and we're gonna do a glare strip on the window just for the protection from the UV rays from the sun, because it's getting hot right now in Vegas. So stay tuned, folks. So we're here at the Avalos tint or window tinting for my car. I'm quite early. It's only 9:30. My appointment is 10, but better early than late.
So this is our XR, it's our one-layered ceramic, rejecting 85% of heat, 99% of UV rays. It doesn't matter if you go with the clearest or the darkest, it is still going to be the same amount of heat rejection. It's just up to you. The legal limit in Nevada is 35, but we do have a 30, which is the closest one that we can get to for the two front doors.
Copy. So what's gonna be our like category tint that we're going to install on my C8 Corvette?
What do you mean?
Like, is it, did you quoted me the Prime CS XR?
Okay,
or?
so this is the mid-grade one.
Got it.
This would be our XR Plus, is the highest one that we carry. That one would be a 96% heat rejection. It's a 3-layered ceramic. This is our CS. It's gonna reject like 50% of heat. I really only recommend it if you're looking more for privacy and style.
Yes.
Because it's Vegas, it's
Yes.
hot here. I don't think you would want to go with a 50% heat rejection. But definitely the XR is good in budget and good in heat rejection.
What's the most cheapest? Sorry.
This
Got
It's
it.
gonna be 95 for the two doors.
95. Oh. Is that the one you quoted me from yesterday?
No, so I quoted you for the 145 for the two doors.
Okay.
For the mid-grade one.
Got it. What about the Prime XR?
The Prime XR is gonna be 245.
245.
And in the visor strip, we do offer it just in the CS, just because, I mean, having a little strip in the XR is not gonna really do much of a heat thing, because it's still the whole window.
I
So
see.
it comes in the CS, you can get a 15% or a 5%.
Got it.
And then it is computer cut, so it cuts it to a legal length that
Oh,
you get for your
amazing.
vehicle.
Fantastic. So what do you recommend? Is it the XR or just CS?
You
It's up
drive
to-
here in Vegas?
Yeah.
Then I would recommend the XR.
Okay.
Just because traffic is crazy.
Yes.
Summers are crazy, so you're just gonna be sitting in there.
Got it.
While waiting for the traffic to go.
Perfect. Yeah, we'll do it. We'll take the probably the darkest, the XR Black 5. I believe that's the maximum sun protection, right?
Well, no. So
No?
even if you get the 70.
Oh, I see. Okay. It's just the color.
that you want.
I got it. I got it. All right, we'll do it.
From the CS. From the CS, it's a big difference because it's not.
So this is the finished product of the window tinting installation here at Avalos car window tinting. So I did the 2-door window panel and a glare strip on my windshield. It looks pretty immaculate. Yeah, I highly recommend. Shout out to Mr. Brian who installed this here in Sahara. It's Avalos tinting. It's ready for the summer. It looks perfect. So I did the 5% color and then 85% protection from the sun. So, all right.